So I have a few sleek and innovative products that I want to share with you today. Plus, I'm going to show you a really awesome trick to where you can use your iPhone as a very high quality webcam source. Plus some other really cool tricks that you can do now. So let's just get right to it.
Mr. Black.
All right, starting with this really awesome style laptop stand. It uses gravity to auto lock it in place. It has a high quality aluminum build to it with silicone padding, plus these little lips right here, so on the outside you can put your phone or iPad up on it. I mean, you can even add a little screen like this, and now you have a little touch screen Mac setup. It's a great design, and you can also use it with your laptop slightly open if you need to, just to dissipate that heat. I have seen a lot of these types of laptop stands, and this one by far is the most versatile and sleek looking. They also have this really cool looking tray for your iMac or your monitor. It has a plastic build, but also some silicone padding to it. It just clips on and sits on the top of your monitor, giving you more space to put office notes or even put power cords to charge your iPhone or other accessories. And it just gives you more space at your desk and also keeping it a little bit more tidy. But now let's get a little bit more technical with this one. Oh, by the way, and if you're new here and you like to see cool new gear, make sure you don't be a stranger, click the subscribe button. And also while you're down there, you can click that button, the thumbs up button that lets YouTube know that you like this kind of stuff. And they'll put more of this type of content in your feed. Also, I'll put links to everything down in the description, including a link to their website because they have a lot of really cool and innovative products there and some discount codes on their website. So, all right, so check out this MagSafe mount for your phone to mount on top of your laptop in a few different ways. But wait, why would you want to mount your phone here? Now, if you didn't know this, you can use your iPhone wirelessly as a webcam source for your laptop. And it looks great, it sounds great, it can even track you and follow you around, get that bokeh background. Plus, with these hand gestures, it can do some really cool reactions. If you click this camera icon at the top, you can see that you have the option to do a smart track, which is called center stage. It does crop in a bit, but then it will follow you around on the screen. Then below that, you can add the portrait effect, and you can also adjust how much bokeh you want to add or take away. There's also a little option to make it look like studio lighting, and that looks awesome. Plus, you can trigger those different reactions without needing to do the hand gestures right here. Down below that, you can adjust the audio and get smart voice isolation in case you are like in a noisy room. It will just isolate right on your voice. This is insane, by the way. This looks so good, especially compared to like the onboard one. Like this is I could just literally use this instead of any other bigger cameras. It's crazy. So yeah, using your iPhone as a webcam is really high quality. It's perfect for your Zoom or your team meetings or even live streams. So it makes sense why you would need something like this. And looking a little bit more into this thing, it is quality made. It has a strong MagSafe mount with a solid base that you can use to stand up on your desk if you want to. That way you can get different wireless webcam shots, or you can just have your phone propped up next to your laptop or just sitting on your desk. But with that base and this silicone padding, you can clip it on your monitor or iMac or even your laptop. But since laptops are a lot thinner now, you can actually just take this part right off. And this thing will clip right onto your laptop super easily. And yeah, it's the perfect height for those calls and just looks so much better than your built-in webcam. So yeah, that's a really great product and a great price that it comes in at. And my job here on this channel is not to get you to go out and spend your money. I just want to show you what's out there, show you how to use some of this gear. And if you're in the market for it, you should check it out. And also check out their website or check out their Amazon storefront because they have a lot of really cool gear. And if this stuff isn't perfect for you, they might have something that is. But anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to the channel. More really cool gear coming up. But if you want to watch some more cool gear right now, you can click this video right here, or you can click this video right here. Either way, I'll see you there. Bye.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.